Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with BitPay for crypto payment updates, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official BitPay website at bitpay.com. Click on the sign up option to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address in the required field. Create a strong password and confirm it by entering it again. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your consent. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. After creating your account, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This action will redirect you to the BitPay dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Notifications section. Look for the option to manage your subscription preferences. Select the payment updates you wish to receive. You may have options for different tokens or payment methods. Ensure to save your changes to keep your preferences. Now, you will receive crypto payment updates from BitPay directly to your email. Check your inbox regularly for the latest notifications. If needed, you can adjust your preferences at any time. Enjoy your updates and stay informed about cryptocurrency payments with BitPay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.